Sambhu Kumar Kalai, father of Ampi Press Club President Ratan Kalai, has nearly recovered from a brain stroke after being admitted to GV Hospital. His recovery was made possible through the timely assistance and support provided by Agartala Press Club President Pranab Sarkar. Mr. Kalai is expected to be discharged soon, just in time for the Hangrai festival. On the night of January 2nd, Sambhu Kumar Kalai, father of Ampi Press Club President Ratan Kalai, suffered a sudden brain stroke. He was initially admitted to Ampi Hospital but was later referred to GV Hospital for advanced treatment. However, the family faced a major crisis when they were unable to access government medical aid due to a lack of documentation, specifically an Aadhaar card and an Ayushman card. This left Ratan Kalai and his family feeling helpless and heartbroken. Upon learning of the situation, a team of journalists led by Khorang Press Club Secretary Ranjit Debarma and including Agartala Press Club President Pranab Sarkar, Tripura Electronic Media Society Secretary Surojit Pal and Khorang Press Club Assistant Secretary Manas Debarma visited the hospital to assess his conditions. Taking immediate actions after consulting with the doctors, Agartala Press Club President Pranab Sarkar took full responsibility for the case. He assured that Sambhu Kumar Kalai was admitted to the ICU for critical care and personally guaranteed financial support for the duration of his recovery. Despite the absence of an Ayushman card, Mr. Sarkar coordinated with the hospital to provide full medical facilities. He even purchased essential medicines out of his own pocket that were not covered by government schemes. Deeply moved by this humanitarian gesture, Ratan Kalai expressed his profound gratitude to Pranab Sarkar, the Khorang Press Club and the entire media fraternity for their timely interventions, which played a life-saving role in his father's treatment.
Chini Khorang Press Club Chini Agartala Press Club ni Sir Pranab Sarkar na balai na hambai maya faro tam nin ba bo ani babuno angoro 3 tarik tu mani jibisa hamnogo balai serious brain stroke ngai tam nin ba bo asuk ke babuni mungsapan document krei asuk jengjala tongmani pia ba bo khoroksa Tripura song ya phano Chini Press Club ni ngai Khorang Press Club ni naiko ma bai ke ano suba sukhai ke aro bepang no facility obse maya na phano bo shape kari phano bo facility mandika tai kabangma Chini pai thai tongma rok balai ken chubaka bithi rok medicine rok doctor bai kok salai thani rok test khai thani rok x-ray khai thani rok balai ken chubaka anga amne ke balai ken hambai maru Chini Sir Pranab Sarkar no Chini Tripura song ya phano Chini Tripura song chuba mare bagai ang balai ken khapur ka tai Khorang Press Club ni jot adong song no bhai nang balai ken hambai maru ani o jengjal ni jorao ana asuk support khai kya tai tini hai jorao ani babu motamoti hamoi basai manka tai bo hamai mario Chini Sir Ranjit no buano sakbai thang phai nai phai kya lai ani bhai ke tong daily na update singmai rok ang balai ken kha sangka tamon ba o bhai ken Tripura sa nalran nang soba lain nang Chini Press Club rogo ambaga yang balai ken ani khapurui hambai maya faro hambai fese ripai kulpaya asuka hambai marika tamone angsu ge jarawana ani baskang basa lai kya ambaga yang joto taku gongna khabai hambai rio tai joto no obono koina musungu ani babu no joto suriman bising tei kini asuka tei hamui sokai kya jeng kana discharge manai nogo thangnai ang obono diayu ani babu kaham ke taisa hamui phaiteng hanai joto hambai.
Medical authorities have indicated that Mr. Kalai will be discharged shortly, allowing the family to celebrate the upcoming Hangrai festival together at home. Reported by Ampi from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.